This video will outline the pump and front cover methods that can be used to change the Chaincase fluid on a Polaris Switchback Assault 146 with the 850 engine. Ensure the sled is on a flat, level surface. Then, set the parking brake. Next, clean the area around the fill plug. Placing a rag under the fill plug will help catch any escaping fluid. Then, remove the fill plug and set aside. To extract the fluid using the pump method, safely elevate the front of the snowmobile using a floor jack or appropriate lift. Insert the tube of the suction device into the fill hole. Direct the hose toward the bottom front area of the cover, away from the chain and sprocket. Extract the oil using the suction device. Then, safely lower the snowmobile to fill the Chaincase. To drain the fluid using the front cover method, remove the right side panel by turning the 3/4 turn latches. Pivot the panel away from the sled and pull out to remove. Next, remove the fastener on the lower right side of the console. Then remove the push rivet securing the lower right portion of the console. Continue by removing the push rivet underneath, securing the right fender to the footrest. If equipped with a battery, remove the battery and bracket. Then remove the 2 fasteners securing the lower fender to the Chaincase. Next, place a drain pan underneath the Chaincase. Placing a rag in the bottom of the drain pan will help prevent the splashing of fluid. Then, loosen but do not remove the 3 lower Chaincase cover fasteners. Next, carefully pry on the cover tab and allow the fluid to drain completely. Do not insert a screwdriver or pry bar between the cover and Chaincase. Once complete, reinstall the 3 cover fasteners and torque to specification. Next, clean any dirt or debris from the fill plug. Inspect the O-ring on the plug and replace if necessary. Fill the Chaincase through the fill plug hole until fluid reaches the bottom threads and begins to spill out. Reinstall the fill plug and torque to specification. Clean any residual fluid off the vehicle and dispose of the used fluid at your local recycling center. Reinstall the fasteners securing the lower fender to the Chaincase. If needed, reinstall the battery bracket and battery. Connect the positive cable first. Next, reinstall the push rivet underneath the console. Then install the push rivet on the lower right portion of the console. Also reinstall the lower console fastener and torque until fully seated. Next, reinstall the side panel by inserting the upper tab and pivoting in to engage the lower tab. Finally, latch the 3/4 turn latches to secure the panel. For more information, see your authorized Polaris dealer or visit Polaris.com.